What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another video, and well, the Dart was parked here. We went to go drive it, get it up to operating temperature to test the alternator, and well, it stalled out on us about 2 blocks that way. So I have jumper cables in my trunk that I'm going to use to jump it, because my code reader that I use to that's not mine, by the way. That is my girlfriend's. She left it in here. We tried to test the alternator, try to drive it, get it up to operating temperature, and yeah, like I said, it stalled out on us. And when I scanned it, it gave us 4 or 5 codes, pretty much the same shit. And my girlfriend is actually in the Dart right now. The alternator wasn't giving out a signal. It said that the alternator wasn't responding, and so I checked the battery voltage when it stalled out, and it said that the battery voltage was too low to even start the car. So I think it's safe to say that it is the alternator that is causing a lot of the electrical problems. It's not giving out the right amount of voltage. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the alternator, and we're going to try and get rid of it as fast as possible. So yeah, so here we go. And here we are. Lovely. All right, so we are all connected. We're gonna see if this shit works. All right. Nothing. Okay. I'm gonna go double check the connection. I'm gonna leave that down. God forbid the car gets locked or locks itself. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do this instead, because that's dumb. That's shit. Should be good enough. Good. I think it's good. Nothing. Don't buy a Dodge Dart, people. Worst car ever made. Okay, I'm gonna have to let it sit. Maybe ask her to rev my car a little bit. All right, so she's revving my car to about 2 grand. Still nothing. Still nothing. We're just gonna have to let it sit for a while. This is gonna take forever. So we're gonna try this again. It's been about 5 minutes. Still nothing. I don't think this is gonna work. We're gonna have to figure something out.